Business owners, you want people to actually start responding to you? Check this out. In this strategy session, I was hanging out with a couple people, Israel and Zay over here, and we're going over a couple of strategies to make sure that people actually respond to you. So if you're tired of people just ghosting you, this is exactly what you should say to these people, whether in your credit repair business or your funding business or any business, to ensure that people actually talk back and respond to you and stop ghosting you. Guys, I'm not even kidding. This almost has a 100% success rate. It works just about every single time when I use this. And of course, I practice what I preach. So let's go straight to the video.
He's trying to sell him on something. And then I was telling Zay about this yesterday too, because you had that deal you're trying to close yesterday. You did close, but the message is like the first response was a pain point. The second one was the ghost emoji, but I don't think you got to the ghost emoji. The pain point worked enough. First one pain point, second one is ghost emoji, and the third one is something extreme. And the third one, the extreme one, is like, hey, I haven't heard from you in a little bit. Should I call out the police? I'm kind of worried, or something like that. You know, what I'm trying to say is that that's literally what I use to pick up chicks. So I'm using it now. I'm like business now because that shit works.
Bro.
So Israel, what you should do for that guy that's ghosting you is go through that sequence. First, the pain point. Hey, I want to help you alleviate this pain point. I'm excited to X, Y, Z, get you cash flowing. If that doesn't work, they don't respond in a day. Give the ghost emoji. If that doesn't work in a day, then make sure you send out, hey, I was worried about you. Should I call the police?
Okay. Because I'm not that
Bro, it
aggressive.
works, bro.
I'm not that aggressive. I usually close my deals like right there. So if I text you and you ghost me, I'm like, okay, he's not interested. Like I never like.
It's just that people get busy though. We're business owners.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and she was definitely busy.
Yeah, Zay didn't send out that message.
And you know what's crazy?
Deal.
Like reconnected I got back on the phone for when she reconnected with me, she said I already sold her on the first call, but she was just busy. Like I already sold her like on the discovery call. Like she loved me so much when I was presenting like my plan for her, how to help her in business. She literally told me to like stop talking and just send her the contract and the payment links. I was taking too long. Like I already sold her, bro. So it worked. And like Blade was there, bro. As soon as I said that text, like not even like 10 seconds later, she responded. She responded, bro. She responded, bro.
So you